we're going to do is to look at some calves today, and I want you to see whether or not you think that they're going to have good gain and good performance in the feedlot, and whether or not ultimately they're going to have the good carcass grades in terms of cutability, yield grades 1 and 2, and then also whether or not they're going to grade choice. And the select grade at least, but certainly try to determine which of those calves would also grade choice. Okay, now we're going to start evaluating the 7 head of steers that we're taking through the entire project of feeding and taking them through their performance and getting that information and going to the rail with them. We're going to start out with this number 1 steer. This steer weighs 670 pounds. All of these calves you'll be looking at, like this number 1 here, will have been fed about 130 days, been on feed that long, fed a good concentration, high concentration diet. This particular steer, remember what we're looking for in here is sort of a prediction of his feedlot performance, average daily gain and feed efficiency, and at the same time the predictability of the carcass value that he'll give us later on in terms of a yield grade and a quality grade. This is the number 4 steer, which looks like he has a little bit of Brahman breeding in him, and he started on feed at 700 pounds. Okay, here comes number 6. Number 6 weighs 850 pounds. Again, showing a little bit of Brahman influence in his breeding. Okay, here's the number 7 calf. He weighs 840 pounds. Here's steer number 10, weighed in at 760 pounds. Steers identified as number 13 and weighed on test at 750 pounds. Tag number 17 steer, weighed in at 670 pounds.